Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Donovan. If you have not hit that like and subscribe button, please feel free to do so now. If you want to be kept informed of when I upload new videos. Hang on. Just redid my bedroom again. Don't mind the bed, I'm still clearing it off, but I get bored easy, so I rearrange quite a bit. So this is my bedroom / studio. But I'll show you what the new studio is going to be. Get out the store here. Kind of cool, huh? Let's see. Okay. This is the hallway. This will be, of course, it's closed and locked, but this will be the studio / office, that kind of thing. Got some new lighting we're going to put up. Just doing some painting and that kind of thing. We should have it done here soon. And I will have my studio, which will be way cool. I can start doing my photography and video work. And when we get the curtain and everything put on, it'll be very private. I mean, and this is a very nice place. Of course, this all goes back around, clear around there. Same with this side. But this is all his cousin's stuff, so we're just going to keep it packed up here and then drop like a curtain here. Unless we can get it packed further around the side of the building there, but doubtful. Let's see. This is the rest of the apartment. This is one of the bathrooms. Shower will be worked on this weekend, so it'll be functional. This is another bathroom. It's kind of nice having two bathrooms because you don't get bottlenecked, you know? Such a funny word. Okay, shh, I gotta be quiet because people are sleeping, okay? This is the kitchen. Here's the living room. This is one of the spare rooms. There's another room just on the opposite side of this one that looks just like this one. But I got kittens. Like two, see? Hi, Mommy. She had a total of 5. But she had them up in the attic, and 3 of them didn't make it. So I have 2. We have 2 kitties. See? We have the penthouse suite. This is how cold it's been. I mean, like, we just keep getting more and more snow. We are just buried in snow here. Crazy, huh? Okay, 1 second. Gotta be quiet. Oh, wait. I don't think she's there anymore. Hang on. I think she's... Okay. Let me just finish painting all this. I say we like I've done any of it. Too funny. So, yeah, this is the house. Huge. Lots of space. Which makes it nice. I like having space. But when that studio gets finished, that'll be really nice. I'll be able to have all my backdrops and everything just ready to go. All my lighting. I do have, like, you can see some of it here. Some of the lighting and stuff. The rest is already in the back room, just ready to go up. So, and this is a cool. I got bored when I made it kind of like a jewelry box to go with. Hang on, I'll get to show the rest of it. Hang on. With the jewelry I make. Let's see where I put it. Sorry, it's dark. It's dark. Where'd I put that? Hang on. Where did I put that? That's weird. Hang on. It's here somewhere. But anyway, there's a piece that sits on top, which I usually use to display my like newer pieces or newest ones. Where did that go? Lord, sorry. I'm running around blind here. Ow, ow, ow. Oh, there it is. Okay. All right. Okay, let's go. So then, this sits on top of here. And of course, this is all mobile. Then I have, other stuff to carry jewelry. And when I'm, Rolly Kit, who remembers those? Anyway, so, like this necklace I'm wearing. Okay, hang on. Turn this back around. All right, hang on. Stay. I had so much fun today. We went just kind of like thrift store shopping, junk shopping, and just kill the day. But I forgot how much fun that can be. All right. And I think Lawrence is going to Denver tomorrow. I kind of want to go with him, but I've got appointments. Dentist, regular provider, and somebody else I can't remember. But you gotta you have to go through all that when you're going through health issues and disability and all that stuff. It's crazy, but hey, there is an upside. As well as having time off to work on books now. I had special insurance that would pay my car off in the event that I ever did become disabled. So I needed to go on disability. So the car is paid off. Nice. And it looks like I will be starting my business soon. So that'll be helpful. I'm just having a ball. It's kind of nice to live your life on your own terms, Don't have to worry about anybody else, so to speak. I don't know why this side's always a challenge for me. Anyway, so Edwards Entertainment is back on track and it will be starting soon. I'm not, I think I'm going to branch out, like kind of like franchise, but teach each of the the managers how to run it and and all that stuff, because I want it to eventually be an employee-owned business. I mean, who am I going to leave it to if I die? There's nobody really to leave the business to. So I think, and I've seen other models where employee-owned companies have done very well because, well, let's face it, if you own a piece of the company, you're going to show up more often, work harder, because you want to cut those profits. And I mean, if you're working hard and making, I've made a lot of people a lot of money over the years, just none for myself. So I decided it's time to do that, and help the employees that hire on. It's like if they want to invest in, just let them do a little time, but they'll own a piece of the company. They can have, they get a cut of the profits. There's so much you can do with that. And I'd love to see see it grow, because I have a sister in Arizona who wants to start her own branch, so to speak, of Edwards Entertainment. So I'll get this one up and going, and then I'll probably head to Denver next, and then probably Arizona and Vegas. Those are my ideas. And maybe even one in LA. Why not, right? And that'll go along with my publishing company, my multimedia production company, and my record label. And the cool part about it is, with having a multimedia production company, I don't have to rely on Hollywood to turn my books into movies. I can do it myself. Turn them into indie films. I can always lease the material to Hollywood. Whatever I'm going to do. I know they wanted me. They were offering me $2.6 million for Wednesday. Well, it'll be a total of the rights to 4 books, 4 movies. And I was like, oh hell no. You can lease the material, but I wouldn't be an executive producer, and I want 35% of all merchandising. And the guy was kind of shocked. He's like, how do you know about all this stuff? I said, well, Dolly Parton has been a great role model and a great example. And she's really good about sharing what she knows. So that's why I told him, she's the one who told me never sell your rights. Because, that's your bread and butter. That's what's going to feed your family after you're gone. It's like Elvis Presley wanted to record I'll Always Love You back in the 70s. And she was so excited because she loves Elvis like I love her. And his manager called and said, well, Dolly, he's not going to record I'll Always Love You unless he gets half the publishing rights. And she turned Elvis down. She says no. I don't know. That's my biggest copyright. I'm not sharing it with anybody. So, except for my family. So that was a smart move, because then Whitney Houston, Dolly took it to number 1 in 1973 or 4, the first time, and then again in 1982 with the Best Whorehouse in Texas. Then in 1992, Whitney recorded it for The Bodyguard, and then her and Vince Gill in 1994 took it to number 1 again on the country charts as a duet. So that made Dolly the only artist in history to take the same song to number 1 to 3 consecutive decades, which I think is pretty cool. Anyway, so enough of that. I'm going to get back to some recording. I think I've got close to 300 songs recorded now, so I'm going to get back after it and get some work done on I'm developing new promos, video, posters, business cards, that kind of stuff. So until the next one, you guys, just take care of yourselves and each other.